Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use price table widget in Elementor Pro. So basically, first thing to do would be make sure that you have Elementor Pro installed and license attached, and next thing, open page or post where you wish to add that pricing table. Okay, so I have edited my sample page, and here you see in Pro widgets I have to choose that price table widget. Okay, so let's check. Here you see price table. Let's drop it here. Now you may notice that at a time it only sends you one option for price. Okay, you can add multiple by just creating a row where you have multiple columns and drop your table in each one of them. That is one way around it. Okay, similarly you can also edit the existing with your details such as basic plan, then description like let's say yearly, sorry, because we are saying it monthly below, so let's starter plan for prints. Okay, then you can add your items here just like these. Okay, and you can also check for the footer text where you can see click here, you can change that to buy now. Okay, also feature something like let's say can edit this with 10 prints, 10 revisions, and let's say 10 upgrades. Okay, so based on the plan chosen for prints, I can offer these at $39 monthly. I can also change this price, okay, period monthly to let's say even weekly or yearly, whatever we wish to add. Okay, so let's update this and let's preview the change. Okay, here you can see it has taken a large part of our page. So let me show you how you can add one where you can simply have like 3 of those widgets. So let's see, if I choose price table here, then we have like price table here. Okay, and another one, so we will have like 3 price table. We can update this and preview the change, and you can see now you have 3. Okay, you can edit them and make changes as you need. So you get the idea how to use price table widget in Elementor Pro.